Hello, it's me.
See you later. What? OMG. Oh, thank you. Good morning, everyone. Jeshie Urs here again. So today I'm sitting down in my sala and I just want to say thank you to Daniel Park from Bellflower because they sent me some package of the items from them. So right now I would like to try for the first time. And yes, I just wake up, and then since this is serum and moisturizing cream and sunscreen, so this is my start my day to use this one before I'm going out. So let's try. So I already washed my face, and now let's try to put the serum. Coconut hydrating serum is from Bellflower. Yes. So it's my first time to use this one. As you can see, nasa box pa siya, and then here is a direction on how to use. So apply a few drops to face in AM and PM as part of your skincare. So you can use, or we can use this one before the moisturizer. So I have also here a cream, is one of the brightening cream, and I can use this one as a moisturizer since I don't use the moisturizer kasi I don't know what kind of moisturizer fit for my skin. So let's try for this. So it's my first time actually, and I would like to say thank you Global. So here, then so ito siya. Then it's a coconut hydrating serum. So let's try. Yan siya. Coconut talaga siya. Diba? So let's try in here. Smell good. We'll see if this one it's heavy to our face, but I think it's malamig siya. It's so we'll see na lang. And pag naglagay ako ng makeup, kung ma-feel ko ba siya na mabigat sa face, kasi there's some serum na medyo heavy sa face when you put the foundation, right? So I think this one malamig, it's cold, and I think it's light. So we'll see. I need to dry it first before to put the moisturizer. So now let's move on to the moisturizer. By the way, so this coconut hydrating serum is intensive and trustworthy by Bellflower. So as you can see in here, they have a picture for moisturizing and nourishing skin by coconut with Cocos. and Healthy Skin by Skin Barrier Complex in Studio. Yes, this is made in Korea. As you know guys, Korean product, Korean beauty is a famous right now. Now let's try the Glutathione 1 or E. It's a glutathione cream. I have to try this one also. It's a picture which is brightening and glowing healthy skin by Niacinamide, Resorcinol, Arbutin. Oh yes, pangpaputi siya guys. So let's try. There you go. May papel pa siya. Here. Oh. Look at here. You can see here. It look like different, right? Oh my gosh. Yes. You can see. Now let's try to my face. There's no smell. It's like natural smell. Yes. So here is a glutathione cream. Is made also in Korea from bell pepper. And as you can see, bagong-bago pa siya and diffused to make your skin bright and healthy, of course. So there's also a niacinamide included with pearl extract and rice extract and with berry. It's a super berry for my dark spot. I have here, it's a dark spot. So this one is good for my skin. Yes. It's because I have a hyperpigmentation, so I think this one is perfect for me, so that the blackhead, not blackhead, is a hyperpigmentation I have, they will clear because of this. Yeah. Right now we are waiting to few minutes to dry this one, and we can use the sunblock from Bellflower. So here we can use a carrot mild sunscreen SPF 50. So this is also brightening and wrinkle care from Bellflower. Oh, here they say it's and oh yeah, so some people forget to put a sunscreen in their ears, which is one of the spot of the sun. Yes, you can see here, over here. So earlier we put here a serum, we put here cream, and here we put a sunscreen. So yeah, yan siya. So now let's try to put in my face. Let's try to apply. So you can apply, or you can put only in appropriate amount. So I think I put too much. So but you can spray that one. Yes. And don't forget also to put in your neck. I smell the carrots and the menthol of this sunscreen. Yeah. Yes. Oh, diba? It smells so good also. And the smell of the carrot sunscreen is really good. I think I'm gonna use this one every day. Actually, this one I can use also in the evening, but I really like the smell. The smell is like a menthol with carrots or something, but really, I like it because this one there's no smell. This one also they have a smell, but it's a basic smell here. But this one is catch my nose. This one I really like it. So I have the 3 product now from Bell Pepper. Yes, and yes, as you can see in here. So now we are ready to use the makeup and a foundation to put, and let's see if it's heavy to my face under the makeup, and I will let you know in a few minutes.
1 hour later.
Okay.
One eternity later.
Hey guys, I'm here again. So as you can see earlier, gumamit ako ng mga product which is from Bellflower. So yun na nga, ginamit ko siya in the morning, you know. So ngayon, nandito na ako sa bahay. So here is my face. So wala pa akong hilamos. So as you can see, my face is like a normal. So naglagay lang ako ng konting chichiboriti sa face, like foundation or whatsoever. And then, yes, so far so good for this product I have from Bellflower. So, it happened like I have a little oil in my forehead, but it's not a big deal for me. So, I think this product from Bellflower is work for my skin type. So far, I don't have any problem. And as you can see, okay naman siya. So, I can rate this product 9 out of 10. Yeah, I think it's okay. So, it's perfect combination to my skin type kasi like for example, this sunscreen is really perfect for the summer. Yes. And the glutathione cream is because I have a hyperpigmentation. Yung mga yung galing sa acne mark ko. And of course, this is a serum which is I use also as a essence. So okay naman siya, and is also a coconut, so I don't have any problem with this product. Yes, that's all for today, and thank you Bellflower. Thank you so much for this product. If you have a hyperpigmentation like me, you can try this one. Maybe these items is fit to your skin also, but of course, before you use this one, you need to try to test in here kung may allergy ba kayo or wala. So yes, diba? So that's all guys. Bye. Thank you so much. Bye.